some fresh codfish, seasoned up. Put it in the egg batter. A little salad together with some cucumbers, tomatoes, little onions, fresh lettuce, olive oil, a little bit of seasoning. Gonna have some cheese and some crouton, whatever the fuck you talking about. You know what I'm talking about. That fully seasoned cod, baby. Some of them buffalo wings. Smoking. Smoking. Some nice potatoes on that ass. A little light snack. I just be at the house trying new shit. Snacks. A little olive oil, seasoned marinara with some parsley flakes. When they come out, they're gonna be looking like that. I got snacks, baby. Sharp cheddar cheese, pepperoni, seasoned marinara with some parsleys. Turkey sausage omelet, some fresh grits, watermelon with seeds, cheddar cheese is up inside of that thing too. Good morning. And some hot lemon and honey tea. I'm about to try something different today. You'll see what's going on in just a second. Saute your meat up real good. The flavors you like. See what I'm working with over here. Paprika. I'm going with some linguine noodles. Corn. A few asparagus. Pasta been boiling. Definitely ready. I'm gonna drain this and set it to the side. Cook my chicken breast in olive oil. Get them out the way. Cook them till they nice and golden brown. Add my bell pepper and onion to my fettuccine. I'm gonna mix that up real good. Add me some marinara sauce and some seasoning and mix it all up. I'm gonna butter my cornbread. Butter my cornbread real good. Squeeze a little lemon over my chicken. Add some chicken broth. Throw that in the oven for a few minutes. Do some Parmesan cheese on top of it. Threw my chicken breast over the top. Some buttered corn, asparagus, cornbread ready to go. About to knock this out. I'll let y'all know how it tastes in a minute. Add some cheddar cheese to it and I'll be cracking. Spinach, bell pepper, onion, cheddar cheese, tomatoes. First I add some onions. Season my water real good and let it come to a boil. Add a couple cubes of this up in there. And we're gonna start the process. Once my water come to a boil, I'm gonna now add my seasoned chicken. Make sure you put the water just to cover the chicken. It's gonna boil down. But the more water you put in, it kills the flavor. I'm gonna put the top back over that and let it boil for like 40 minutes. Remove your chicken from the boiling water, strain the water, and then add the onions back to it. Always hit it again with a little dose of seasoning one more time. Then I add my barbecue sauce. I've been good on, I like them parsley flakes, so I add me some parsley flakes and I'm gonna stuff it back in the oven for 15 minutes on 350. When they come out the oven, they should be looking like that. I put it on broil for about 5 minutes on the end of it. Got some cornbread left. Rice. You know you gotta have some green vegetables when you're a black person. Well, everybody really need green vegetables. I ain't gonna just say black. Quick steak fajitas on their ass. Some homemade burgers and fries on the way. Always make me a little Creole mayonnaise. cakes come out seasoned, looking like that. Some buttered biscuits, some yellow rice, some seasoned spinach, crab cakes with my homemade Creole mayonnaise, some spinach, yellow rice, buttered biscuits. Look at them things. Splash of parsley flakes.